What's up, guys? I have a scenario for you. Have you ever been chilling, minding your own business, living life, and then all of a sudden, bam! Now, I think we've all been in this situation before. When wintertime rolls around and our lips are starting to look a little bit crazy from the dry air. So now you're going straight into panic mode. You're freaking out, you don't know what to do. Where did you go wrong? Whose lips are these? Because they sure ain't mine. Oh wait, yes they are. Do I need moisture? Do I need air? How much Vaseline do I need to heal my broken lips? And then you ask yourself why. Why did this happen to me? And after one too many glances in the mirror, you start comparing yourself to the Karate Island lady off of SpongeBob. You know, the one with the severely dry, chapped lips. I think we all remember her. Well, now you possibly could be thinking, how can I bring my lips back to life? Well, first and foremost, we need to stay away from all those drying lip products. Licking and peeling the skin off of your lips can further damage them. Step 1. To get those baby smooth lips back, take a towel, run it under some warm water, and place it on your lips. Doing this will hydrate your lips and bring them back to softness. Step 2. After softening, it's time to exfoliate. Using a toothbrush will gently remove all the unwanted dead skin. Another method of exfoliation is a lip scrub. Now you can either buy one or you can make it yourself. In my DIY lip scrub, the ingredients that I used were sugar, honey, almond oil, and peppermint oil. Mix it together into a paste-like consistency and putting it into this jar while making a huge mess on my table. Using the lip scrub, take a good amount and exfoliate until your hand falls off, making sure that no dead skin is left behind. And last but not least, step 3. Now I'm pretty sure that we all know what happens next. In order for our lips not to revert back to that, a really good moisturizer is needed. So don't be afraid to glob on the gloss, the Blistex, the Vaseline, the Burt's Bees, and even if you have A&D ointment, use it. Anything to get those lips back to what they initially were. So instead of going through the horrifying emotions of day-to-day chapped lips, just remember, soften, exfoliate, and moisturize, and your lips will definitely bounce back to their usual softness.